Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. We'll have some more from the opening of the budget debate today. The government says it plans to spend over $1 trillion on infrastructure projects over the next 5 years. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark made the disclosure as he opened the debate today, and he says this will be financed in part by the government and private sector through structured transactions such as public-private partnerships, PPPs.
Roads and bridges and public parks, hospitals, schools, water, sewage, irrigation systems, houses, tax offices, courthouses, buses, garbage trucks, digital infrastructure, IT systems, and highways. It will be the greatest expansion of public investment, Madam Speaker, that we have seen, geared towards improving public services. And every minister of government is involved.
He says this is only financially feasible if the country maintains a good credit rating.
Our program is public. The fiscal policy paper has $500 billion of capital expenditure over the next 5 years. To get the rest, we have to be able to structure transactions that can get private financing, and the private financing, those projects become feasible, the lower the cost. So today, there are public investments that are feasible that were not before. And we intend to leverage the stability, Madam Speaker, to bring these projects to life for the benefit of the people.
More than 300 early-stage companies have benefited from the Technology Innovation Center, TIC, at the University of Technology since 2002. Over the period, entrepreneurs have received grants, both in cash and equity, of over $60 million, with about $35 million deployed in the last 3 years. President of Utch, Dr. Kevin Brown, says the impact will be greater following the Utch Launchpad, which was inaugurated last week.
We are committed to the continued successful outcomes of these small and medium-sized businesses through our TIC. And here at the TIC, we assist startups, we provide the training, and what we're trying to do is to make them succeed. Anybody ever tried a startup before? What's the success rate? It's fairly low, right? So we are giving them a fighting chance. The entrepreneurship infrastructure here is alive and well at UTech, and will certainly be further strengthened through this new partnership.
Now, it's a landmark collaboration by Amber Group and UTech, which has been described as a revolution for Jamaica's technological sector. The Amber UTech Launchpad seeks to facilitate 100 business startups in 1,000 days.
I don't want others to suffer what I went through. How hard it was to raise a business in Jamaica. It is difficult. You go to a bank, they might almost ask for your blood sample too before you get a penny. It's hard. It's real. It is real. It's a pain point.
Let's head to the foreign currency market now. Trading ended with banks and Cambio selling the US dollar for an average $155.55. $115.10 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The pound is trading for an average $197.02, while the euro is trading for an average $169.27. To the stock market now, the JSE index gained 2,050 points today, while the junior market index declined by 30 points. Among the 41 winners were Mayberry Jamaican Equities, Jamaica Stock Exchange, JMB Group 7.15% cumulative redeemable preference shares, JMB Group 7% cumulative variable Jamaican dollar preference shares, and cargo handlers. Now, the 46 losers included MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, Mayberry Group, Trans-Jamaican Highway US dollar shares, Access Financial Services, and Lumber Depot. Now, 28 stocks closed the session, selling at the same price they started trading on Tuesday. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.